The KR805 Collating System from Kirk-Rudy is designed to make complex batching of envelopes, gift cards, and other flat products efficient and operator-friendly. It can be configured with multiple modular bases and multiple KR496FS servo friction feeders, all mounted in line to feed product up to 11.5 by 12 inches onto vacuum belts. Inside the controller, the system creates time positions along the belt, each one a target spot for your product. With belt speeds up to 600 feet per minute, the KR805 keeps product under firm vacuum control, so you can move more work through the line in less time while still maintaining consistent spacing and clean, predictable batches. The KR805 uses a recipe downloaded from the computer to decide which feeders release product into those positions and in what order. The data is entered as a CSV file into the KR Recipe Bridge program, where it is then sent to the PLC, which tells the system how many pieces to feed from each station, where to leave gaps, and how to build each group. You can keep it simple, or create detailed batches where different feeders add just one or two specific pieces into every set. New HMI screens put more information in front of the operator. You can see which job is loaded, track batches and feeder status, and confirm that the system is running the correct recipe. That feedback helps catch issues early, shorten setup, and keep production moving. The result is a proven collating concept that now runs cleaner, smarter, and more efficiently, while staying very operator-friendly on the floor. For more information on the KR805 collating system and how this configuration can support your production, contact us at sales@kirkrudy.com or your authorized dealer. Nothing is built like a Kirk-Rudy.